One of the simplest ways to make money online is by watching videos, and in this video, I'll show you how to earn $76 every hour doing just that. Here's how to get money online simply by viewing videos. Therefore, playing the video is the first step. Watch it for at least 60 seconds as the next stage. The third step is to cash out your profits. That's all there is to it. Today, I'm going to demonstrate to you the most successful website for earning money online solely through video watching. This website is absolutely free to use and can be accessed from anywhere in the world. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel. The first thing I want you to do is to visit this website, zoombucks.com. This website is legitimate, safe, and entirely free. You can see that you can get money by doing deals, viewing movies and TV shows, and answering surveys. However, since viewing videos is something you already do every day and offers the highest return on investment with the least amount of work, we will focus on it for the purposes of this video. Therefore, select the TV watching option. Create a free account on this website as the first step. Step 2 is to choose a channel that appeals to you. Start watching TV programs and videos after that. Your account will be recognized with points once you've watched those films. By alternating between various channels, you may also keep an eye out for increased revenue. Finally, you can cash or gift cards for your points. It's really that simple. Go to the homepage, enter your email address, make a password, and then click Join Up Now to accomplish this. For simpler sign-up, you can also use your Facebook or Google account. You can now check how much money you can generate on our website after logging into your account. You may see that individuals have made somewhere from $200 and $500. You might be the next. All of these people are making money through viewing movies, answering surveys, or taking on opportunities. The best part is that there is a ton of films available here, and since they all reset every day, there is an almost limitless possibility for you to make money just by viewing videos. Click Watch on the left-hand side to begin. Following that, boxes with the phrases Hideout TV and Elutably will appear. Additionally, you may view the details of their offers by hovering your cursor over them. Reduce the video quality by selecting the video options, which is another additional tip I can offer. Please set it to the lowest feasible video quality so that I can conserve data. You'll be able to watch as many 60-second films as you like and make as much money as you can as a result. These pieces of extra ice are quite useful, and you can use them right now to increase your earnings on this website by a factor of 2, 3, or even 4 in a single day. I'd like to demonstrate another option for you to profit from this website, and that is through completing surveys. You should see surveys on the left side of your ZoomBucks dashboard and should click them. By doing this, a list of businesses that give you easy surveys to complete will be displayed to you. You will receive the following payments for each survey: 85 cents, 60 cents, $10, $3, and $5, or much more. Simply select the business that gives you the biggest cash offer. Simply register a free account with the firm of your choice and start taking as many surveys as you'd like after following the same instructions as before. That's it for today. If you liked the video, smash the like button.